Hello, my name is Judith, and I am going to be talking about the COVID-19 pandemic. Living in a time when there is a pandemic can affect not only our physical but mental well being. There's a feeling of uncertainty, anger, worry, and even the fear of losing a job or a loved one. The COVID-19 pandemic, which was first discovered in the United States on the 19th of January 2020, has now seen the US record the highest cases and deaths in the world. The cases in the United States have seen uncontrollable rise each day since August 2020. I remember how I almost lost one of my friends to COVID. He never believed the pandemic existed and said it was a hoax, just like the seasonal flu. He said, "Judy, this is gonna go away." He soon tested positive to the virus and almost lost his life, spending several weeks in the hospital. Once he was out and felt better, he confessed to me that he truly has underplayed the seriousness of the virus and now know that this is a big thing, that this virus is serious. I know, just like my friend, a lot of us have in one way or the other underplayed the seriousness of this virus. According to the CDC, there are currently 523,859 deaths in the United States and over 28 million recorded cases. And in Utah, the first COVID-19 case was on the 6th of March 2020, and since that time, the cases have been on the increase. Currently, there is about 375,000 cases in Utah and 1,977 deaths. Well, there is a good news. The good news is that we can defeat this virus if we all come together to act now and act right. The goal is to have our state, our country, and the entire world free from the coronavirus. And these can be achieved by following the COVID-19 guidelines. If we follow the COVID-19 guidelines, we can save ourselves and others. Some of the things we can do are stay home if we do not have anything important to do. Maintain social distancing, avoid large gatherings, wear masks, observe personal hygiene by washing hands frequently, know the symptoms and to get tested if we have the symptoms. And most importantly, get the vaccine as soon as it becomes available to us. The risk is real. We are committed to stop the spread. We must do our part. This is the time to act now and act right. Thank you all for listening. And for more information about where to get the vaccine, get tested, or any other information related to the COVID-19 virus, please visit the Utah Department of Health website at health.utah.gov. Thank you.